As we enter September 2024, we are invited to uncover divine insights that will shape our spiritual journey. This month serves as a pivotal moment for reflection and guidance, allowing us to discern God's messages for clarity, strength, and purposeful living as we embrace His will. This month, God will illuminate the areas of our lives that seem perplexing or burdensome. Through His revelations, we will gain understanding and insight, enabling us to make informed decisions. Trust in His clarity, as it will help define our paths and provide comfort amidst uncertainty. September is a divine invitation to cultivate meaningful relationships. God is orchestrating connections with individuals who will uplift and inspire you. Embrace this season of collaboration and encouragement, as these new alliances will play a significant role in your growth and faith journey moving forward. This month calls for a revival of your inner strength through prayer and worship. God encourages you to redirect your focus towards His promises, empowering you with renewed energy and faith. Embrace this opportunity to recharge spiritually, allowing His presence to invigorate your mind and spirit. September ushers in unexpected chances for both personal and spiritual development. God is actively reopening previously closed doors, offering new paths for you to explore. Be prepared to seize these opportunities quickly, as they have the potential to transform your life and deepen your faith in remarkable ways. In September, expect a profound wave of healing and restoration, addressing both physical and emotional wounds. This month encourages you to trust in God's divine plan for rejuvenation. Embrace the healing process, allowing God's power to mend what is broken and restore wholeness in your life. God is inviting you to brave the unknown this September by stepping out in faith. Respond to the divine insights you've received by taking decisive actions. Remember, you are not alone. God's presence accompanies you, providing the strength and confidence needed to embrace new challenges and opportunities. As we conclude, it's essential to reflect on these prophetic messages throughout September. Make it a priority to seek God's presence in your daily life. Embrace the revelations He is offering, allowing them to shape your decisions and deepen your spiritual journey as you trust in His guidance.